Yeah, start talking about
Cody. He enslaved all these little boys and girls, well, the little boys, and shooting his family and all that. And he got the girls, having nice little intercourse with all these other people and whatnot. Then his family and he's a bad, bad man. He's doing all these nasty little stunts and look at this. Do you want your son to look like that? So we're trying to stop him by making him famous. So you better do whatever you can do, the world, the people, to make him famous. Famous as in lock him up. You know what I'm saying? Put your 2 cents in.
We make him famous. We make the government want to go catch him. He needs to be locked up.
Locked up. To jail. He's gonna learn his lesson today. He's gonna learn today.
April 26th. Paint the night. You ain't heard about Paint the Night? They're gonna post posters of Coney everywhere.
Paint the night. Paint the night. See, I'd smack Coney if I had a chance to. I'd make him light skinned.
That's about it.
That's about it. Coney.
I can't stop.